In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring decaying web content back to life. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at AIOSEO.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So now that we've got AIOSEO installed, let's head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left and click on the link that says Search Statistics. And then on the tabs up top, let's click where it says Content Rankings. This is an insanely cool feature in All-in-One SEO's Search Statistics. So what this feature does is it points out content decay on your website. It's got a handy little graph here on the right for all of these various pieces of content. If I just look at the first one here for this page called How to Garden, it's telling me that that content peaked back in June of 2022. And ever since then, it's been on a very slow decline. It's telling me the piece of content underneath that is slowly recovering. This vegetable garden one, you could make an argument that it's slowly recovering because it certainly went down and then has dipped back up. This one on the bottom here, growing herbs indoors, is actually at its peak right now. In fact, the bottom two are on their peak right now, so we would leave those alone. But if I focus on this first one called How to Garden, we can see the first column tells us that this was last updated on February 1st, so not that long ago. Maybe we just need to give that one some time, or maybe we need to do some work on it. It's telling us it lost 14,000 points, which is a drop of 72%. The points are based on a proprietary algorithm, so this is not simply which piece of content drops the most places in the search engine result pages. It weighs things like which piece of content was getting more traffic versus another piece of content. So if you had two web posts that both dropped 10 points in the search engine result pages, but one of them was bringing you in 500 views a month and one of them was bringing you 50, the one that was bringing you 500 will show up much higher in this content rankings report because, again, it's based on that algorithm. So now that you understand what these columns mean, the last updated on is self-explanatory, the loss in points and the drop percentage based on that algorithm. And of course, the last column here, performance score, which I just think is so cool. So now that we understand what those columns are, I want to show you that you can actually dig into some detail on each individual post. So if you click on any of these columns or on the graph, nothing happens. These links bring you to edit page and view page. But if we click on the page title itself, we're brought to this page. It has a whole bunch more information on this page. So it's telling me my headline analysis for this page is a 63. My true SEO score is a 0. That is terrible. So that's something we can work on. Speed test is great. Desktop, I'm showing a 97. Mobile, I'm showing a 71. And then it's telling us some suggested changes. So it's telling me the content is below the minimum number of words, add more content. And no title has been specified. So there's some very basic things here that we could work on. I don't even have a focus key phrase, SEO meta, SEO performance. So there's just a wealth of information here, all pertaining to this one post. What I could do very quickly is the most basic thing is just add a focus key phrase to this page. So I'm going to go ahead and click that blue button. It says add focus key phrase. It's going to open up my page called How to Garden. So apparently I just typed in a title, How to Garden, as a placeholder. It saved this page, and I never filled out any content on this page. So that's why it's losing ground. The first thing I'm going to do is head on over to the all-in-one SEO section and click on General, and I am going to add a focus key phrase. Let's make the focus key phrase the same as the title, How to Garden. I'm going to click this button. It says Add Focus Key Phrase. And now I could build out my page and write a blog post about gardening, keeping in mind that my focus key phrase is How to Garden. Once I have that content all filled out, I could use Link Assistant to add some internal and external links. If I look at the AIOSEO settings section here, I'm constructing my page title with the page title, a separator, and site title. In the SERPs, that will look like How to Garden, all-in-one SEO search statistics mock external. That's the name of my site. And maybe I throw in an emoji after that just to get a little more visibility in the search engine result pages. I'm going to click the big blue update button to update the content of that page, and we're done. So that's how to bring decaying web content back to life. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to integrate Facebook into your WordPress website. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, all-in-one SEO.